Wondering how to do a Facebook Live, either at home, in your office, or while out and about? Watch this video and I'll share with you how that's possible. Thank you so much for being here. For more tips on how to grow your real estate business through the power of technology, then please click on that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of when I post a new video every single Wednesday. For months, I did Facebook Live on my Facebook page every single weekday, like I said, for months, and it just blew up my activity on my page. I got so much more engagement, and they are really easy to do. So let me share with you how you can do it. All right, like I said, you can do this either at home, your office, or while on the go. So the first one I'm going to show you is on your desktop. This could be on your laptop or your big desktop, does not matter. First of all, you should have a Facebook page. If not, you can watch this video on creating a Facebook page, but you could do it live on your personal, but most of that's your friends, family. I recommend doing it on your page, which is your business, and you want that to grow versus anything else, because that's where people can find you, they can like you, and they don't have to be a friend with you. I know that sounds really cruel. They don't have to be a friend with you, but go to your page, get on there, and then right down here you will see there's this create button and it's live. Click on that live button. It's going to open a new page here where you'll be able to set up your live before you actually do go live, so don't get concerned. So I am selected on go live. I could schedule it. It says where do you want to share it, so I'll have it on my team page here. You could put in a title if you want, and then whatever you're going to say about it. So this would be your headline for the video. So you could say, let's say market update, because I'm on my desktop. Maybe I wanted to do a quick market update. Then it says what do you want to use. I want to use my camera on my computer, so I'm going to click on that. It sets up the camera. It says what microphone do you want to use. I have an external microphone, and there you go. There I am, with me in my messy office. It's all set up, ready to go. So from there, all I have to do is click that go live button and I'm live, and that's it. Took me a minute there to set up with talking to you, and I mean, if I just bring it on here and do it really quickly, it takes a matter of seconds. I used to do this, like I said, every single day. So easy to do, no effort at all. So now let's just switch it over here to my phone. Okay, I'm just gonna bring up my screen record for this one so you can see it as well. Okay, so now that you're in here, you can do the same thing. Open up, I have my Business Suite app on here. You could do it through the Facebook app, but I do recommend the Business Suite because that's where you can manage your different pages. So I open it up, there we go, there's my page right there. And you'll see this button here where it has Publish. You'll click on Publish. And then under that, it has this button for live video. Click on live video. And now I've got my screen here. There's Photo Guy, hello. I can make him go live right now. We're not going to do that. At the top left here, there is where you can switch the camera around. There you go. So there I am. And all I have to do, same thing, put in a description. Maybe I'm out and about. Community tour. Done. Start live video. And again, I'm live. I usually did these 5 to 10 minutes, not very long, just quickly show people the neighborhood. Or if I was doing a restaurant review, if I was interviewing somebody, that's all it takes really to set this up. It is really easy. We all have a phone, we've got a computer. There really is no excuses. It's just a matter of pulling it up, hitting that record, and say whatever you want to say, and just go for it. Keep posting those. They're so much easier than having to do a pre-recorded video like I'm doing right now, because there's a lot more thought process into some of these, whereas with the lives, you don't have to have a big production or film crew, just a camera. Those are almost even better, and just hit that live button, record, go ahead on live, and when you're done, hit the end button, and you're done. That's it. So easy. So I challenge you, start doing some Facebook Lives. Facebook loves it. It does create a lot more engagement. Facebook pushes a lot more to the live aspect. So go ahead, do that, and let me know how you make out. What are some ideas you have for doing a Facebook Live? Comment below and let me know. So now that you know how to do a Facebook Live and there's no more excuses, now you just need to make a plan. Start doing Facebook Live, set up a schedule. When I did this for months, I set up a schedule and I had a calendar on my Google Docs, and then I just labeled every single day what I was going to talk about that day. To make it easier, I did a theme for every day. So on a Monday I had a certain theme, Tuesday was a different theme, Wednesday, you get the idea. And then that way I knew, okay, on Thursday I do restaurant reviews, so I need to have somebody from a restaurant on every Thursday. Every start of the month, I would plan out the next month for my calendar, and that way when I was ready to do my live, it's all ready to go, it's all set up, I knew what I was doing. I didn't have to do any scrambling, because if you do stuff last minute and you're scrambling like that, that's when you stop doing this stuff and you lose all that consistency. Therefore, I recommend plan ahead. You know what you're doing, and it is really easy to do. You just open it up like I just did on either your desktop, your mobile. You click the go live and you just begin. That's it. The only little bit of research before that is maybe if you're doing, say, a market update, you might want to have your numbers ready saying here's the new listings, here's the new solds we had, and just update people from that. Otherwise, have fun with it. Get out there. And the first couple ones can seem nerve-wracking because you're all nervous. After you do it a couple times, you realize it's not that big of a deal and it really is easy. All I got to do is hit this button and nobody cares how you sound, what you look like. How you sound, what you look like on video is how you do in person as well. So you got to get over that, get out of your way, and just start recording. And trust me, you're going to get more exposure and you're going to be doing more than 90% of realtors out there are doing. And start being top of mind, everybody. There you have it. Facebook Live. It's where to be. Get on there. Go do it now. Now that you know how to do Facebook Live, I'm sure you're thinking to yourself, what are some more video ideas I could do on my Facebook Live? If so, you're going to want to click on the link in my description below. I've got you covered. I've got a free PDF guide in there for you with some video marketing ideas that have 10 times my leads. And when you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos on generating leads through social media. And please, if you found this beneficial, give me a like, subscribe, and share with your fellow realtor friends.